Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm very happy that I'm back to you with a new video. After almost 2 months that I was in a trip and I didn't publish any video, I'm back to you again. I built this video to announce you that from next week I will start making videos for you and publishing them in the channel. But I need your help. I built this video to ask you to help me about the topics that you want me to make videos about them. Please let me know down below in the comment box which kind of videos you want to see. I wanted to make a poll about it, but I've decided to make a video and ask you face to face. The topics can be something like room database, model view, model clean architecture, coroutines, and something like that. But the main question is that if you want to see like tutorial based videos, or you want me to make practical applications, and inside these kind of applications you want to learn about specific topics. For example, I can make application about tracking the currencies like Bitcoin, like other different currencies, and inside this application I can use clean architecture and explain what is clean architecture and show it to you. On the other hand, I can make videos about the weather app, about food applications, and make a local database for it and use room database. And inside this kind of applications you can learn how to work with room database. But if you want, I can, before this kind of videos, make videos about the room database, for example, as a tutorial, explain everything about room database. Then after that I can make practical examples and you can learn how to use the room database, for example, inside this practical example. Down below in the comment box, write for me which kind of videos you want to see based on the examples that I gave you. Mention the topics and also the type of video, tutorial based or practical based. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next videos from next week.